to negative J 6.67 per unit, and also that the negative and zero sequence currents were equal to 0. Now to clarify, this was on the low voltage side of the transformer, and remember that we just multiply out the per unit quantities with the base values to get the ampere quantities for the sequence components. We get 1004 amps at the angle of negative 6, and we get the following. Plugging in the values of the A operator and the A square operator as well as the sequence component values, we get the following. We find that the line A current is equal to 1000 base can therefore be taken as the following. Now multiplying the component of the base values, we get the voltage values in sequence component form. 48.51 kV at the angle of negative 13.2 degrees. Remember, these are
GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.